My auntie said she was coming to stunt. I ain't got the hell. Oh, work it. Work it. Get it. Get it. Oh my God, my hair. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, somebody help. Help me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Vlogmas day 8, I believe. And today I was supposed to go out with my cousin to go get some pho, but it's been a little change of plans, so I'm just gonna go over to my auntie's house and hang out with them for a little while, and tomorrow we're gonna go and get some pho. I'm all ready for the Atlanta United game. I have to take off my hat, or maybe pull it back. There we go, because it's kind of like blocking my view, blocking my peripheral vision, and I can't function like that. So I don't know, but this hat is actually okay. It's stuck to the Velcro. Yep. All right, that's okay. It's all right. Just rip my hair out. It's gonna be all right. Ah! Oh my God, I'm dying. Oh my God, my hair. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, somebody help. Help me. Oh my God. Okay, break. Got the hat off, y'all. Like, oh my God, my hair. So, as I was trying to say before, I was really interrupted, okay? This hat is actually a child size hat. So when I went to go purchase hats, this was the only one that I really liked, and it was a child size. So, I mean, it fit. So I was like, well, you know, we're just gonna make do with it. But yeah, so in the back of it, it's like a Velcro snap something. I don't really know. It's not a snapback, I know that much. But it closes with Velcro. So it just got stuck to my curls. Oh my gosh, I had to get that out of there. So anyways, as I was trying to say, before I was really interrupted, let's get this day started. That's so fake. Have and have nots. I've never seen this before a day in my life, but they trying to tell me about it. Do y'all watch this show? My auntie over there trying to get warm. I just showing your feet.
Oh, that's my feet. Okay, when I look cute,
you gotta come back. You gonna stunt. My auntie said she was coming to stunt. I ain't got the hell. Oh, work it. Work it. Get it. Get it.
she about to roll bounce. They say you look like I'm on the way to skate city.
Y'all, it's my cousin, Monet. We chilling.
Hey, gang, hold up, gang.
Your auntie gonna go off on you about that cursing, young lady.
Exit that out.
Yes. Oh well, edit that out. Hey guys, so I finally made it home from hanging with my family, and now I'm about to cook some pepperoni pizzas. I think I showed you guys these when I brought them from the store on last week's haul video. So I'm just going to show you how I pull out the middle part of the mushroom, and then I'm just going to spray it with some olive oil and put it in the oven. Right now it's on 400 degrees, and let it bake for about 10 minutes so that it can cook, and then we'll pull it out and put the rest of the toppings on. So basically the first thing that I do is I just wipe off all the dirt off of the skin of the mushrooms You see all that dirt that's already coming off? You don't want that, so we just try to wipe it as clean as we can. Alright, so this is what they look like after they're all scraped out. And that's all the black gunk that just came from out of there. So I'm just going to throw this away, and then I'll show you what we do next. Alright, so now I'm just going to spray the mushroom with the olive oil on the front and the back, and then put it on the pan and put it in the oven. I'm just going to pop these in the oven, and we're going to pray we don't drop them like we did the biscuits. Ooh. So I just pull these out of the oven, and this is what they look like right out of the oven. Now they are a little liquidy because the mushrooms drain. So if you see that liquid right there, I'm going to take it and pour it out, and then we'll put the toppings on them. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some of this ragu pizza sauce and spread it all over the mushrooms. And once we do that, we'll put the rest of the toppings on there. So I just take a little bit, like a spoonful, and spread it over. Okay, maybe that was 2 spoonfuls. And you don't want to overload it, because if so, it'll be like soggy and weighed down. So you don't want that. So I just spread it all around like a thin layer. And that's really it. And I'm going to do the other 2, and I'll be back. Alright, so now that they're all evenly spread out with the pizza sauce, I'm just going to go in and put some mozzarella on top. And make sure you have the good stuff, okay? Yes. So now that I have the first layer of cheese on top, I'm just going to go in with some pepperoni and put that on top of the cheese. So I just put a little bit on top, like that. And you can also put other toppings up here, whatever you want. I just like pepperoni, but I don't like to put too much because it'll weigh it down. Then once I finish with that, I just go back on top with a little bit more cheese. You can put it in here. Don't drop it. Good job. Alright. So I just cut that broiler on. I'm just gonna broil the mushrooms just for a little bit till it gets a little dark on top. And this is the finished product. They look so good, don't they? Yummy. Yummy all in my tummy. Hey, level up. Level up. Alright, so I have a special taste tester here with me. My sous chef. She's going to give you guys her first impression.
Alright, let's see. Really good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So, how much would you pay for it?
Like $5.
$5?
For both.
What?
For both.
Oh my God. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
Well, I'm hungry right now. So 7.
A 7?
Mm-hmm.
All right. That's fair.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And now I'm going to enjoy mine. I'm Kanisha.
I'm Faye.
And today we're going to do the best friend tag. So,
He's like my #1 crush.
what do you talk about?
I have been talking about him.
Yes.
See, I be knowing.
Okay.
I want a little bit, but not, you know, too.
Okay.
So I would say that was
I did it. Yay.
I was like, I'm not doing it.
You are not rude. And there was like people coming in the
Yes.
front.
This is what I thought you were gonna say.
Okay.
I could.
Well, guys, that's going to wrap up today's vlog. I know it wasn't too much going on, but I hope that you did enjoy what you saw. If you did, make sure that you give me a like and a thumbs up. I guess that's kind of the same thing. But also make sure that you subscribe, okay? And I guess I'll do it again tomorrow because it's VLOGMAS. All right, guys, take care. Bye.